I'm John Scott Vowell. I am from Birmingham, Alabama, and I am a composter. I got started by going around to different restaurants and coffee shops and asking for food scraps or from coffee grounds for my own compost pile. And quickly I had developed a little bit of a client list and realizing that there was a much bigger need in the community. So we have here our salvage compost bin. You might recognize this material as being a culvert. You can pick up a little litter and get yourself a free compost bin at the same time. Inside here we have a mixture of nitrogenous and carbonaceous materials. It looks like we have some shredded paper. Looks like we've got some food scraps down in the bottom. That's nitrogenous. Now, what I'm doing here essentially is giving all my little microbial friends a breath of fresh air. This is the cheapest drill you can get at Home Depot. Little auger here, 10 bucks on Amazon. This little setup here allows for space to bring in feedstocks. It's going to produce a very large amount of compost for the garden beds, and you don't have to break your back doing it. The reality is that the materials that are growing these vegetables right here, if they were wrapped up in a plastic bag and buried in a landfill, they would be producing noxious gases, creating leachate that will wash into our waterways. And instead, if they are treated a little bit differently and given some oxygen and some carbon, then they can turn into something that you have to pay for. As we go forward, instead of removing and removing and removing things from the earth, we can take from the earth to sustain ourselves and then put back into the earth to keep that process going, and that's sustainability.